Hello everyone, let's start the question. Our question is find value of b a square b plus 2ab square minus 4ac. It is given that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 0. Students, first we will solve one part as per our instruction. The value of a given here 1 and its square multiplied by b which is given as 2 plus 2 into here a is 1 into square of b means 2 square minus 4 into 1 into c is here 0. So this becomes 3 into square of 1 means 1, 1 multiplied 2 times into 2 plus 2 into 1 into 2 square means 2 multiplied 2 times is here 4 minus 4 into 1 4 and anything multiplied with 0 it becomes 0. Don't make mistake here making it 4. So now see this becomes 3 into 1 3 into 2 6 plus 2 into 1 2 into 4 8 minus 0 which is your 14 minus 0 equal to your 14 which is your answer. Thank you.